Welcome to your own channel, Engineering Learners. Today we are going to design a staircase in CAD. So how can we design a staircase like that? So let's get started. First of all, we will change the unit. So the shortcut key of the unit is U and enter. After that we will go to the architectural and then we will click on the OK button. Then we are going to draw the stairs in a 3D view. So that's why we will go to the 3D. So you will put shade SHADE, then enter. So it will be go to the 3D view. After that we will draw a 2 feet of landing and the height of the landing is 3 inches. So we will draw 2 feet of landing, so 2 feet, then 3 inches, then over here 2 feet and then 3 inches, so it will be closed. Now if we see here, so these all lines are separately. That's why we are just combining these all lines. So there is a specific command which is using to combine these all lines, which is called region command. So we will put REG enter, then we will click on the all lines and then we will click on the enter. So it will be converted into a one box shape, which you see here, that is with the help of a region command. Now we will extending our object, that how much of breadth it has. Mainly we are providing 4 feet of breadth for the staircase. So here we will click on the object, then we will put here ext enter. It is the command of extending. So ext enter, then we will put here 4 feet enter. So it will extend it to 4 feet. So that is our landing. Now we will draw the rise, and then after that the rise of the stair step is 6 inches and the thread of the stair step is 9 inches. So 6 and then over 9, then we will combine over here, so it will make a triangle step. If we see here, so these all lines are separate, that's why we will combine these all lines. So we will use the region command. So reg enter, then we will click on the all lines, which is over here, one over here, then over here, and then we will click on the space or enter. So it will be come to a region. So these all lines will be combined like that. Now we will extend our step, that how much of breadth of step we are providing. So we are already provide the landing which breadth is 4 feet. So we are extending our step 4 feet. So we will use extend ext enter, then we will click on the object and we will extend our object to 4 feet. So then we will put to 4 feet enter. So it will be extended to 4 feet. Now we will copy this step from here and we will paste it upon that step, and according to the requirement you will provide the steps, that how much steps are required. Here I am just providing 8 steps, so that's why I am copying that step from here. So you just put CO, then enter, then click on the object and then just click over here and then just go to the corner of that step and then just click here. So it will be copy from here to here. So it will be 1 step, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and 7, and then 8. Now we will providing a landing over here. So we will start from this point and we are providing 4 feet of landing. So we will start from this point. So from this to here we will put 4 feet enter. Then we will just thickness of our landing is 3 inches. So we will go to downward in 3 inches. We will put 3 inches. Then our landing is 4 feet. So 4 feet enter. Then we will just close our shape. If you see here, so these all lines are separate, that's why we will use region command. So reg enter, then we will just click on the all lines, click over here, here and here. So it will be make a box, it will be combined, these all will be combined. Now we will extend our landing. So how much we will extend our landing? So the width of the stair is 4 feet, that's why we will extend it to 4 feet. That we will go to the back view and construct a step over here. So from here to here we are just providing a rise 6 inches and then we will provide 9 inches of thread and then we will close here. Now these all lines are separate, that's why we will use region command. So reg enter, just click on the all lines and then enter. It will be combine all. Then we will extend this step. So we are already extending our previous steps 4 feet, that's why we will extend that step also 4 feet. So ext, then enter, then click on the object and then click over here, just put here 4 feet. So it will be extended to 4 feet. Now just copy that step from here. So just put CO, then enter, then click on the object and then just click on the enter and then just click on the object and then paste over here, here, then here, then here, and according to your requirement you will paste the steps, how much steps you are required. So just according to the requirement just paste your steps. Now one thing is only remaining, the slab of the stairs. So how can we just draw the stairs slab? So we are just draw a line from here to here, then we will just take offset from here. So the shortcut key of the offset is O, enter. That how much offset we are taking, so we are taking 3 inches of offset. So 3 inches, enter, and then click on the line, then click over here. So there is a 3 inches of offset we are take. Now we are combining these lines, so from here to here, then just remove the extra place, the extra lines. So we will just use the trim command, so T or double enter, and just trim these lines. Now combine these lines, these down lines. So from here just start from here to here, and then we will just start from here to here. So it will be combined. You see here, so these all lines are separate, that's why we will use region command. So reg enter, then just click on the all lines and then enter. So it will be converted to a box, it will be converted into, it will be combined. So now we will extend our slab. So how much we will extend our slab? We are extending our slab 4 feet. So ext, then enter, and then we will just put here 4 feet. So it will be extended to 4 feet. This is the L-type stair which we draw. So that's it for today's lecture. If you are new to my channel, so do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.